Igwe Ajugo the third of Oporo Kingdom. Long live your majesty. The pillar of this great king.
The royal family smile at us today. They grace us with their presence.
You just handled this car last week, so what's going on? Yes. Say, just close to my office. Come, are you coming now?
Hey. What is a beautiful girl doing under this scorching sun? I mean, it's not befitting for a princess like you. Why are you blocking the road?
I wouldn't block the road on purpose. You know, my car, I don't know.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry about that. So, you've called your mechanic?
Yeah, I just did.
Okay.
I don't know. This car keeps giving me problems.
It's crazy, you know. Stuff like this is quite frustrating.
Yeah, it is.
I'm sorry. If you don't mind, I would just offer you a moment. I'm heading down the road. I have this my beautiful bar where I always chill, where I cool off. Probably we'll just go there and wait for your mechanic to come. What do you think? I mean, no stranger task, you know, just trying to take you out of the sun. It's not befitting for a princess like you. Just look at you. It's going to dry this glowing skin up, and I wouldn't want that for you, not for any beautiful girl out there. Sorry, forgive my manners. What's the name?
Adora.
Wow. What a beautiful name for a beautiful queen like you. Say, I'm just trying to help, okay? I'm not trying to flatter you. I just want to let you know that this is not good. Not just for me, for all the amazing people out there. They wouldn't want to see your skin get burnt, okay? Even if it's a glass of water, we just go there and chill. Adora, yes, Adora. Come on. I don't bite, just a very sincere offer from a gentleman like me, you know?
Venice. 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 Venice.
The thought of him haunts every corner of my mind. The pain, it's suffocating. But with each drop of tequila, I drown the memories. A futile attempt to numb the ache within. How could he betray me like this? How could I be so blind?
Iwaka Jugo, the tide of football. Igwe, the answers you seek is not of man, but of the spirit.
Wise one, my wife is unwell, and she has been examined by the palace doctor, and he found nothing. We are here to seek your guidance.
My king, her ailment is not of the flesh, but of the spirit.
Wise one, what does that mean?
Oh no! She's bound by something ancient unseen. The root of her problem is within the shadow.
What do we do?
My king, for you to know the truth, for her problems to be reviewed, there must be a sacrifice. The gods demand sacrifices. Oh yes, only with this will the true problem be revealed.
We shall do the needful, wise one.
Oh. Nnamu tara nnamu licha weli fodere nnam. Nnamu licha weli fodere m wesimu mebea. Wesimu wene emeke wene dozi obodo.
Sweet, how are you feeling now?
My love, I'm better, but still very tired and weak.
You need rest. You'll go back your strength, okay?
I will. But only if you stop looking troubled.
I cannot stop looking troubled when my better half is sick. You'll be fine, okay? Yes?
Your Majesty, forgive my intrusion. Prince Ugo is back. Majesty.
Where have you been? Leaving the palace without informing anybody. Neglecting your duties as the crown prince, while dignitaries are still coming to celebrate the kingdom. Where did you pass your night?
I have something important to deal with.
Important? There is nothing more important than your duties as the crown prince of this kingdom. Are you even aware of the crown you are yet to bear? Are you aware of your mother's condition? Do you know what the queen is going through?
Ugochukwu! How dare you? How dare you disrespect Sarah? Will you put that phone down and answer him? Ugochukwu! Ugo!
Hey!
Fefe! Come back here! You've grown wings. Huh?
Enough! Ugo, come back here! Tubuka Dibia, my son. Calm down. I will get to the root cause of this. It's a promise.
Oh my God! Adora! Oh my God. Adora! Wake up, wake up, wake up. Adora, please. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, please. Please, wake up. Wake up. Oh my God. Adora. This isn't healthy. You can't be drowning yourself in alcohol like this.
What's the point, Laura? He's never going to change. I saw them.
I know it hurts. But that's not the reason you should be drowning yourself in alcohol.
And what? Confront him?
No.
Beg him to stay?
No.
I will never do that.
Come on. Let's get you cleaned up. You feel better after a shower, okay?
What can I ever do without you?
That's what friends are for. Now let's focus on getting you back on your feet.
Thank you.
Yes, everything is fine. As a matter of fact, I'll make sure every of the arrangements works perfectly well. No stories at all, trust me.
I'm here.
What is it? Mother! What
My
is
lord,
it?
I'm here. I'm here. Summon me or no immediately. My love. My love. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good day.
Can I help you?
Oh no, I'm actually looking for David. Is he in?
David. Maybe former occupant.
Sorry, you just said former occupant. David didn't mention moving out to me, so
My name is Larry. I'm the new tenant here. I'm the new occupant.
Okay, sorry, do you have an idea where he moved to? Did he?
Sorry, no. I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Is there any way I can help you?
No, it's fine. Sorry.
Hope you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hello, Adore. Here, I brought you some food. Thought you may need some company.
I'm not hungry. Thank you.
You can't keep isolating yourself like this. I'm worried about you.
Laura, he's gone. David is gone. Not even a goodbye.
What? It's gone? Was that why I was putting on strange attitude? Men can be very wicked. Sweetheart, don't worry, darling. We'll get through this together.
What can I ever do without you?
Well, you must eat this food. Adora. Oh. Are you okay?
I'm sorry, Laura. I was lost in thought.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize. What's on your mind?
David. You know the story. He came to me as a perfect gentleman. Even paid my bride price just to sleep with me because I insisted to your marriage. And then what happened? He disappeared, leaving me pregnant. Laura, I went through this alone, the pain, the shame. Why is my world always crumbling around me?
That's in the past now. You have to move on.
Move on? Is it Tony? Laura, do you know the pain I felt? Holding his birthday gift in his house, only for me to see him banging another woman. Tony actually proposed to me.
You deserve to be happy. Even if it means going out to meet new people. Why not give it a try?
You know, I think you're right. I think I need a little distraction.
That's the spirit. That's it.
Your Majesty, I came immediately. I got this summon. What troubles the throne?
This queen.
What happened? Speak to me freely.
Her condition has worsened, and it is no longer a private matter. She screamed out of nowhere, and when I rushed in, she was very weak and claimed that she sees shadows and strange things.
This is troubling. Did she say anything else about these visions?
She says little, and doctors have found nothing wrong with her.
Your Majesty, please forgive my bluntness. This may be our spiritual attacks. Oh yes, the throne, the palace, is not immune to spiritual forces, especially coming from a man of power like you.
Thank you very much. So what do you suggest?
We will have to yet visit the oracle. Remember you said we should come back in the next 4 market days. But I don't think we have to wait until then.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
But what if the oracle's revelation brings shame to the throne?
Whatever the oracle says, we must confront it with courage. Oh yes. Because this kingdom's strength lies in not avoiding the truth, but in confronting it.
Thank you very much.
However painful the truth might be, certainly it will lead us forward.
Look at who I have here.
Can you tell me why you're blocking me?
So
Oh, wait. Have we met? Cause
you are Dora.
Now, are you stalking me?
Stalking you. You know, if stalking you is a crime, I wouldn't mind to spend the rest of my life in jail.
Good with words.
Sometimes.
I see. So,
okay, the thing is...
what's your name again?
Ugo Chuku, but friends call me Ugo for short.
Okay.
Like I was about saying, after the last incident that we met, we talked, I haven't stopped thinking about you. You have always stuck up in my head. And I've been looking forward to seeing you. Sometimes I drive by...
Your phone.
I was what?
Phone, please.
Oh, okay.
Unlock it.
Yes. Yes.
Here you go. Let's see how this goes.
The real number?
So please, take this out. Take it out.
Sure will.
My king, you're welcome. Nollywood, welcome.
Thank you, wise one.
I know you will return.
Wise one. I carried out the sacrifices as you instructed. And yet, my wife still suffers. And this morning, she screamed on a loud voice, shouting...
I know, my king.
Then, you must also know why this is happening.
I have consulted the gods. The gods are silent.
silent? After all we have done, the sacrifices, the prayers, we are there for nothing.
No, Igwe. My king. You must search deeper within your household. My king, search deeper within the palace. Sometimes the answers you seek lies closer than you think.
Hey, Adora.
Hello, Ugo.
I couldn't stop thinking about you. I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Oh, no, not at all. I'm just preparing for bed.
Oh, well, you know what they say about bedtime routines. Sometimes they can use a little variation.
Is it so? What variation is in your mind, Mr. Ugo?
Why don't you come over and find out for yourself?
I'm not sure that's a good idea. It's late. Besides, I don't know where you stay.
I will send the driver to come pick you up. I promise you won't regret it. Just think of it as a little adventure, a chance for us to explore this connection that we have between us.
I insist. It's late. And I'm security conscious. Besides, I just can't let any driver drive me.
He is not just a driver, but a palace driver. He will bring you straight to my place.
Wait a minute. Are you a prince?
Yes, I am a prince. Prince Ugochu is my name. The crown prince of Okboro Kingdom. I don't usually reveal my royal status, but however, I just did.
Okay, my prince. You know what? I'll see you. That'll be tomorrow.
Great. I'll text you the address.
Alright, have a good night. Prince?
Good morning, my queen. How are you feeling now? I watched you throughout the night as you were sleeping. You were restless. My queen, be honest with me. What is happening to you?
My king, I don't know.
With all the collapsing and falling and shouting, are they showing you anything?
My king, initially, I felt it was stress from the trip. But
what? Anyway, don't worry yourself. Inasmuch I need you, the palace equally needs you. Whatever it is, I will be there with you to find out the solution.
Finally made it. I hope it wasn't difficult for you to get here.
it wasn't. I made a fix.
Oh, all thanks to my father. But not to worry, very soon I'm going to have mine, a gigantic building. I have a site where I'm trying to put up something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A country home?
You know? You're welcome.
Thank you. Very beautiful.
I know. You're welcome to my humble abode. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So,
Beautiful place.
oh, I appreciate it. So what can I offer you?
Nothing. I had something earlier.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You're sure?
Yes, I am.
That's fine.
Oh no,
Your Majesty.
the gods are silent. And I will not allow their silence to paralyze me. If there's anything hidden in this palace, I want to uncover them.
So, Your Majesty, what do you intend we do?
I will summon every member of the royal household, and no one, I repeat, shall be exempted.
Your Majesty, you mean everyone in the entire household?
Oh yes. If there's anything hidden in this palace, in the four corners of this palace, that someone knows about that I am not aware of, I want to know what that thing is.
It shall be done, Your Majesty.
I summon all of you here. A great shadow looms over this palace. The tide that threatens the peace and harmony of this kingdom. My wife suffers and her condition is no longer friendly. And I will not keep quiet over it. If there is any one of you that knows anything hidden in this palace, now is the time to uncover it. The maids, you've been with the queen for some time now. If there's anything any one of you knows about in this palace that I am not aware of, it is the time for you to reveal it now. Guards! Has there been any unwanted movements in this palace? Have you found anything that you have refused to expose? Now tell me. No.
Your Majesty.
I will start with those that are closest to the queen.
The Igwe has spoken. And if there is any secret, now is the time to reveal it. Holding back will only bring shame upon you and this house. Starting with the maidens. Does any of you have anything to say?
Speak! You are shaking your heads.
Guards! Does any one of you have anything to say?
No. No.
Your Majesty, you may carry on as you wish.
That was amazing.
Yes, it was.
Adora, I want to take care of you. I want to love you for the rest of my life. I want you to be the best part of my every single day. I never want to have you out of my sight.
Prince Ugo.
Huh?
Do you mean these things you just said?
Hey, Adora. I mean every single word that I've just said to you. I don't know why I feel this way, but something deep down my heart tells me that you're mine. I want to be yours. I want to cherish you. I want you to.
Oh yes, I'll soon be there. No, I don't want him to be aware. I want everything to be on the low right now. No, you don't need to worry. When I get there, I will explain everything. No problem, I'm already on my way. Yes, I'm coming now. Ozioma, come to my room now. Now.
No! No! Danger! Danger rooms in the palace. No! Betrayer. Betrayer within the palace? No! No! The king! The king was the one! Oh, but would the king listen? Will the king listen? Oh. The great spirit of the land. Protect our kingdom. Protect our kingdom from this calamity. Protect our kingdom from this calamity that is about to fall the land.
Oh, my king. You grace me with your presence.
I can see you are enjoying your fruit as always. I noticed that you left the palace today with your maid.
I needed some fresh air, so I had to go see an old friend.
And you think I'm not supposed to be aware of that movement?
My king, am I supposed to report every of my movements to you?
You and I understand that the palace is restless owing to your health issues. A simple word to me wouldn't hurt.
My king, You worry too much. It's nothing serious. I needed some fresh air, so I had to go see an old friend.
Who is this friend?
My king, is nothing worth your concern.
It was my concern. Because what concerns you affects me as well.
Igwe! I am not that fragile. I needed some peace. So I just had to go out there. That's all.
My queen, Oyoyom, it's not that I'm being possessive here. It's just that I worry much about your present condition. So there is nothing bad there if I should inquire about your whereabouts. Hello? Obim? Hello? Are you still here? My queen? Are you still here? Hello? You have served the queen. I saw you go out with her. Have you noticed any strange behavior or odd character from her?
No, Your Majesty. The Queen has been the same, except from her recent illness.
Think deep. This is your time to help the Queen.
Your Majesty, there was a time she asked me to leave her alone in her chambers. She seemed distracted, like she was waiting for something.
Did she speak to anyone or act in any way strange?
I don't know, Your Majesty, but there was a smell like incense. It doesn't smell like the one we used here in the palace. It lingered for hours, Your Majesty.
You may not go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
This isn't serious.
The number you're calling is currently switched off or out of coverage. Please try again later. The number you're calling is currently switched off or out of coverage. Please try again later.
What is wrong with these people now? What is wrong with these people? What is all this now? Yes. Yes, Adora. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Hello?
Hello? It's me, Prince Ugo.
Oh, Ugo. Wow, it's been a while. What's this about?
I'm sorry, I should have called sooner, but I just want to tell you that I can't stop thinking about you tonight. That's why I called.
Thinking about me. Ugo. Let's not pretend. I know your reputation. What do you really want?
Adora, Yeah, the truth is, I probably must have done something that you do not trust me for, but I want to let you know that I am becoming a changed person. This is different.
You say that
Okay.
now? But what happens after tonight? You always seem to move on.
No, Adora.
Oh, go.
I don't want to speak to any other person other than you. I want you to come around. I want us to talk face to face. Please.
And what makes me so different?
Okay, see, the truth is, with you, I feel normal. I feel grounded. I don't feel like a prince. That is the truth. Okay, for me to prove myself to you, I want to introduce you to my parents, the king and the queen. I want you to see the woman that has captured my heart.
You would really do that?
Yes. That's why I want you to come around. Please.
Alright, Ugo, I'll come tomorrow, not tonight. But don't disappoint me, okay?
Alright. Tomorrow then.
Good night.
Good night. Why tomorrow? Why tomorrow? Why tomorrow? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Prince Ugo.
I know.
Are you free tonight?
For you? Off.
Alright, I'll send my driver over to you. Hey, you're gonna pick up someone for me. I'll send you the address.
No! 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 Blood! No! 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 Blood! Blood! Blood!
And then it's just a dream.
It felt so real.
Is it the same nightmare you used to have?
Yes. Yes.
Ugo, my son, can we have a conversation?
All right.
Your constant indulgence with women has been a matter of concern, not only to me, but to the image of the royal household. You are a crown prince of this palace, so your actions must come with stability and discipline.
Father, I would say that I understand, yeah, but...
Do you? Do you? If you cannot control yourself, then better get yourself a woman who will be with you and support you as at when needed. And if you can, I, your father, will give you my full support as my first son. Oh yes.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my friends. Please, my friends, there is a lady. My name is Adora. I request to see you.
Oh, yeah. Father, if you don't mind, may I?
Oh yes.
Thank you.
Oh, Father.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings.
Father, this is my beautiful friend, Adora.
You're welcome. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What a beautiful lady. Please tell me more about you and where are you from?
Thank you, Your Majesty. I am Adora from Ezinifite in Agota.
A great part of Igbo land. What about your parents?
My father has passed, but my mother was a justice and senior advocate in Nigeria. I also run a business focused on clothing and fragrance collection. I studied business administration.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Here is the list of things I want you to get for me.
It will be arranged immediately, Your Majesty.
Now run, the driver will take you.
Your Majesty,
Ozioma.
Your Majesty.
I know what is it you want to ask. Everything in there is personal. Now go and get them for me.
Okay, Your Majesty. I'll leave immediately.
Gentlemen, the Ofala is upon us. And this is not just a celebration, but a reaffirmation for our kingdom's unity. So preparation must start immediately. I will be meeting the governor concerning this. Oh no,
Your Majesty.
furnish me about the planning committee arrangements.
Your Majesty, the committee has carried out its preliminary assignments. Currently,
Your Highness, with all due respect, how can we be here discussing Ofala when there are unresolved issues in this kingdom?
Edakafo, how dare you interrupt me on this matter? What unresolved issues are you referring to? Have you forgotten I am the owner of this kingdom?
Oh no, it is no longer news. The other day, the queen was seen running out of a car screaming in public while a driver was running after her. And you are here discussing Ofala. Oh no.
Edakafo, let me refresh your memory. This is the throne room. Whatever unresolved issues you have, there are proper channels to channel those issues and solve them, and don't bring them here.
I am the voice of the people. I speak for the people.
Okafo, shut up!
You cannot talk me.
This is not people's parliament.
He said you cannot talk me up.
Secretary meeting with Igwe.
Enough!
I will not be bringing matter that is not of discourse.
Enough! If both of you cannot conduct yourself in a proper manner, then you have no place in this council.
Ugo, I don't know how to say this.
What?
For the way you've treated me, everything you've done for me, treating me like a princess, the respect, even introducing me to your father.
Hey,
I just want to say thank you.
Adora, you're not just any kind of girl, okay? You're special to me.
Special?
Oh.
You don't understand. I've had these from different men.
Hey.
But they didn't mean it.
Men. Those are men, not me. Okay? Look at me. Hey. You mean so much to me. You are not just a girl I want to have a flirting moment with. You are the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Someone I want to have by my side every single step of the way.
Oh man, they just have the right words. They say it, but their actions.
You speak of actions. Andara, haven't I shown you actions? You just said it yourself. I introduced you to my father, the king. You know what that means in my own world? Hey. You're my queen, okay?
Your Majesty, sorry for my intrusion. I came to apologize about my outburst. And our Okafor's words were out of line. I promise you, Your Majesty, it will never happen again.
The words are not the problem, or no. It reflects the whispers spreading around the kingdom.
Your Majesty, whispers will fade. But the people's faith in your leadership is unwavering.
Faith is fragile, or no. And so also patience is golden.
Your Majesty, we will silence them. I promise you, we will remove those doubts.
Oh no, I wish to be alone. No.
It's all right, Your Majesty. I will take my leave now.
See, you have to hasten up. I do not have time. Time is what I don't have. You have to be very fast with whatever it is you're doing.
Who were you talking to? Answer me! What happened the day you left this palace with Ozoma, your maid? Do you have any idea of what your actions has cost this kingdom? The throne and my kingdom has become a subject of mockery. People talking down on this throne and my kingdom and my family as well. Listen and listen carefully, woman. Today marks the end. You would leave this palace without my instructions. Did I make myself clear? No, talk to me. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, my king.
Really, Laura, there's something about him, you know. He's not like the others.
Adora, seriously, you've barely spent time with him. Why do you always fall in love so easily?
It's not like that this time. Ugo is different, you know. He listens to me. He respects me.
Babe, he is a prince. He knows exactly what to say to you to make you feel special. The game isn't complicated. Use him as a distraction. Have fun. And that's it.
Fun?
Yes.
Ah, Laura, this is not just about fun. See, I feel something real whenever I'm with him.
Adora, let me ask you this. When has falling in love with a man ever worked for you? Especially one with so much power and privilege. It's a bad idea, and you know.
Laura, it's not Excuse me.
It's him talking about the devil.
Excuse me. Hello? Ugo. Don't start. Don't start. Oh, yes. Are you serious? Yes, I'll come. Oh, please, I'll come.
My love, you're not sleeping. Talk to me, what is the problem?
I can't sleep. The night, it brings things I cannot escape.
Oh, come on. You are safe in this palace. You are safe by my side. I still remains your husband.
You don't understand. It feels so real. The darkness. The waiting. Watching.
Oh, come on. I said nothing shall happen to you. I am the king of this palace. You are safe with me.
Igwe, the lion of the pride of Oboro, the voice of wisdom and strength. May your reign continue to flourish.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
We must sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Igwe, how is Her Majesty?
She's okay. She's sleeping for now.
Okay.
Hello, my friend. You are my great ally. A childhood friend. There is nothing under the sun I can hide from you. Oh no, honestly, I feel so helpless.
Igwe, your concerns are valid. Our health comes first, for our sake and also for the sake of this kingdom.
Adugo, my daughter.
Yes, Father.
It's been a while we had this kind of trouble. Your coming has really brightened the palace. Cheers.
That's fine.
Yes.
Cheers, my love. Cheers, Daddy.
Oh, my son.
My love. My baby girl.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your meal. Wow.
So, Father, that means I should stay longer. Don't you agree?
Are you asking? This is your home.
My love, you will spoil her.
She's my foster.
Anyway, it feels so good to have all of us once again on this table and our meal. So let's enjoy our meal.
See, Adugo. And this is me saying thank you for coming back, because henceforth you will take away Father's attention from me. Then he'll focus on you because he's been nagging my life out.
But Ugo, of a truth, you have given us reason to worry about this period.
Mother, Mother, everyone will agree with you on this.
It's okay. You guys don't have to gang up against him.
That is exactly what they do every single day in this house. Ugo did this, Ugo did that.
No. Tell him to change his ways. He's my first son. There's no way I can take it for granted.
Please, can we just have a peaceful meal? But you know you're my joy. The reason I am still loyal in this palace.
Greetings, Your Majesty. My prince, Adora is here to see you.
Father, if you don't mind.
Let's try.
Greetings.
Greetings, my daughter.
You're welcome. You come sit here. You're welcome. Please sit with me. All right, a quick one. This is my sister, Princess Adugo. She's been away studying, and we have been begging her to come back home. She's refused. She's been abroad for years. And all of a sudden, she appeared not quite long. We had to, honor her with this little fine dining. And you met as well.
Yes, I met you well. You're welcome, my princess.
Thank you. I've heard so much about you from my brother.
Really?
Yeah. I know, I can say that.
Can we eat this food in peace and do those pleasantries later?
Yes, mother.
Yeah, my daughter, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mama, have you heard what people are saying about the palace?
What is it this time? You know I don't like going out looking for stories as you always do.
Let me tell you, let me gist you well. They are saying that the queen has been acting strange, collapsing here and there, shouting at nothing. Some even say that she's cursed.
Cursed?
Yes!
God forbid. What could the queen have done to deserve such?
The thing does, wait, my sister, let me tell you more. I heard someone saw Queen running out of her car the other day, shouting like a mad woman. Can you imagine the embarrassment?
May the God help her.
Amen.
And you, where did you get all this information?
I've seen everything.
This is your mouth.
I beg you, let's go.
And we'll have to enjoy this meal.
This is really nice.
Thank you. Now for some
You are into fragrance and clothing collection? Wow, that is impressive. So, what inspired it?
You know, it's something I've always had passion for. Yeah. You know, I love to help people feel confident in their smell and look. It's funny, right? Because I studied business administration, and from the look of things, it's like it shows me, not the other way around.
Yeah, no, that's how life works. It takes us to the place we need to be, even when we least expected it at first.
Princess Adugo, you know, you're such an easygoing person, a sweet soul. Yeah, it looks like I've known you forever.
Well, same here too. You are like the sister I never had, Adora.
You know, this means a whole lot to me. Yes.
Okay, that settles it all. Right now, you are officially my sister.
Definitely.
And you need to visit the palace often. Yes, I will really cherish your company.
I will.
You know, growing up with my brothers has been, well, interesting. But at times, it gets lonely. Yeah. Oh, one more thing, Adora. Please, I want you to take care of my brother Ugo. I know Ugo can be a handful at times, but you right here is exactly what he wants.
I'll do my best.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, you honor the gods with your presence.
Oracle,
Your Majesty.
I am a desperate man. My wife's torment persists. I no longer enjoy the peace in my kingdom. I am here to seek the solution to this. Whatever that could give me the peace I deserve, I need it now.
Your Majesty, the gods will permit me to fashion a protective charm. But this will not cure the root of her torment. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, this cowritch must never leave her waist and her hand. She must wear it always. They will guide her from any further harm. You can have this.
I shall do as instructed.
A big snake.
Mother, you know what? You need rest. Probably you need somebody to talk to because this is not normal. It's not. Okay, just come. Mother, mother, it's okay. It's okay. Just calm down, okay? There's nothing here. Nothing. You know what? Just come with me. Come with me. Come on. It's okay. Just come. Father, I don't understand what is going on. I saw Mom trembling like a child, screaming over something that wasn't even there.
My daughter, since we came back from the UK, your mother has been acting strange and saying things and doing the way I can't even comprehend. Even your brother Ugo was also at his own.
But Father, you should have told me this earlier. If something is wrong with Mom, we have to take care of it. We can't just sit down and ignore it like that.
See, Adugo, we tried. But Mother won't talk. She won't even let anybody close enough to help her. She has locked herself in her own world.
The oracle gave me something that I should perform, just an assignment. Let's pray it works.
And Ugo, he has changed a lot. What is going on with him?
Ugo is far more worse. All he does is womanize, partying, clubbing, bringing women into the palace. I mean, he's gone.
That doesn't sound like the Ugo I grew up with. The Ugo I know is always ambitious. Okay, talking about Ugo, where is he now?
You're asking me? He's neither here or there. Nobody knows his whereabouts. He comes in anytime and then again disappears anytime he wishes. So, no regards to even to the palace or even myself.
Father, this family is falling apart. Mother and Ugo, they are struggling. And we can't just sit here and watch everything just fall apart like that. You know what? When Ugo comes back, I'm going to have a word with him.
I wish you good luck on that.
Asam Ugo Windia Foza. It's really been a while since you have this kind of beautiful evening. I'm so excited, I must confess.
It has. With the happenings, moments like this feels foreign.
Oh yes, I can see you're putting on the beats as instructed by the oracle.
Yes.
Everything is beautiful.
Are you not old?
Look at old. No, don't even go there. You can't change the post at the middle of play. It is not that I needed you more.
We should be talking about your children. They are about to get married, so they should be the one talking about this.
Do not go there. It is not that I need you. Look at this. Let me move.
Are you ready for the party?
Laura, I'm not going.
What? Why?
I need to see Prince Ugo. I've been calling him, he's not taking my calls and I'm worried.
Prince Ugo again? I thought we talked about this.
I know, but I can't keep holding on to the past. See, ever since he introduced me to his father, the king, he's been nothing but nice to me. Even the sister Adugo relates well with me.
I hope you're right this time.
You had a good time, right? Look at sweet. Adora, what a pleasant surprise. Adora, meet my friend Stephanie. my cousin. Adora, Dad and Mom will be so happy to see you. Why not go inside and wait for them while they see off? I know that what you saw out there must have hurt you. But believe me, it's not what you think. Adora. Please don't let this come between us. Adora, I love you so much. I have never felt this way for any other woman. Just tell me, I know the stress and all that. What do you want to eat? Drinks? Just name it. Anything. I'll do it.
So you think food and sweet talks can fix this?
Please, can we just move past this? I'm begging you. Let's just move past it. It's not what you think. Adora.
You know what? Fine. I'll let it slide. But on one condition.
Okay.
I need you to go freshen up and make love to me like never before.
The visit to the governor went well.
Tell me about it.
He assured me that everything about the Ofala festival is on track.
Wow.
He even pledged more support for the festival.
What a beautiful and positive news in a very long time.
You can say that again. In that case, it calls for celebration after all the chaos.
You can say that again. Oh, my king, I'm so happy.
You should be. Talk to me. Have you had any of those attacks from the evil spirits? Any of them?
Not at all. Not since I started wearing this bead.
Really?
Peace at last.
Wow.
What's that sound?
Nothing. I'm fine. Something. I dropped something.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Do you need my help?
No. I'm good.
Who is there? Who are you? Hey! Hey!
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
My visit to the governor was fruitful.
Oh, this is good news.
He pledged his full support for the Ofala festival. Where are the other council members? Hello, Commissioner? My son?
What is this?
My son, Prince Hugo, has been arrested.
This is bad news. We have to do something swiftly in order to undermine what has happened. Well,
yes. Something has to be done very fast.
Yes.
I need to get in touch with the royal attorney. Hello, Commissioner? Yes, I heard all you said. But please do not hesitate to brief me with further developments. No, okay, I'll be waiting. Thank you.
What is happening to this family? First the strange attacks, now my son! Eh? How did we get to this point? My king, how?
Father! Father!
Sit down, son.
I heard Ugo was arrested. What happened?
It was the state police command that got him arrested. And the details are murky. So I'm still waiting to be briefed by the royal attorney. Yes.
A crown prince of this kingdom, arrested like a common criminal. How did we hold our head high out there? How?
We shall get to the root of all this. It's a promise.
Father, I mean, what kind of mess has Ugo gotten himself into? I know he's reckless. I know. But this is something way beyond what I can imagine.
Get my son back. I want my son back. You have to get my son back.
That's the only thing I want from you. Get my son back.
You disgust me.
Don't flatter yourself, Your Highness. Oh, how the mighty has fallen. The greatest crown prince of Ukburu kingdom, reduced to nothing.
What do you want, Adora? Haven't you done enough damages already?
Damages, you say? You think this is all about damages? I just want to teach you a lesson. I'm the last woman you will ever mess with.
Won't come of it. You see this chariot of yours? It's not going to last. Very soon I'm going to be out and I will teach you what the crown prince of Oro Kingdom is capable of doing.
Even with all the connection in the world, you won't escape prison. For your information, this case has been transferred to the Inspector General's office in Abuja. Your royal title won't save you, my darling. Officer!
Madam.
I'm done with this animal.
Inspector, come carry this man enter cell.
My daughter.
Your Majesty.
Sit down.
Okay.
Go ahead, tell me, who did this to you?
Your Highness, it's your son. I trusted him. I gave him my all. He led me to believe into something beautiful. And what did he do? His actions humiliated me. He treated me like I was nothing.
You mean Prince Hugo, my son, is the one that did this to you?
I don't just know what got into him. He suddenly became wild. I'm sorry, Your Highness. I'm not letting this slide.
No, my daughter. Adora, please find a place in your heart to forgive him.
Forgiveness.
Oh, yes.
Forgiveness. No. Ugo treats women like they are disposable. And it's unacceptable, Your Highness. I won't accept it.
Please, my daughter. I take responsibility for his action. I will compensate you.
This is not about compensation. It's about accountability. If God doesn't learn from this, he will never change, Your Highness.
Adora, my daughter. Think about the kingdom's plight. I am an honorable man. I've ruled this kingdom with understanding, mercy, fairness and equity. Please allow me, like I said, I can handle this.
You don't understand this. This is not just about me, but about other women out there. Women needs to be treated with respect in the society.
Isn't no other way we can handle this aside from God?
Your Highness, the only thing on my mind right now is to teach that boy a lesson he will never, ever forget in a hurry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I sounded arrogant and rude.
I was told you'll be transferred to Abuja by tomorrow. Please, my daughter, let's find a way and settle out of court. Like I said, trust me. I will handle it in the way you smile at the end of the day. is in your mind?
The spirit speaks Onowu, that reveals the hidden and foretells what is to come. Onowu, the prince will return. Oh yes, the prince will return. But this is not the end. The worst is about to happen.
Wise one, what do you mean? And what shall I tell the king?
Onowu, tell the king to prepare. Tell him to prepare for what is about to happen. This is not ordinary misfortune. It is the weight of broken bones.
Wise one, I will tell him, but what can be done to avert this disaster?
My son is back.
Welcome, brother.
Thank you.
Missed you.
What is she doing here? What in God's name are you doing in my home?
My queen. Come, my daughter. Come. Let's proceed to the throne room. Please, not to be sure.
Welcome, my prince.
Welcome, my prince. Today, we all gathered here as a family, not to dwell on our differences, but to forge a path of peace and restoration. Ugo, my son, I understand the stress you've gone through. I, your father, I wish you rest and recover. But your release from this ordeal came at a price that cannot be ignored.
Your Majesty, Prince Ugo, as stipulated in the agreement of Miss Adora's legal team, states that he will be confined to his quarters for a period of probation.
Who? My son? Did you realize he is the crown prince of this kingdom? Do you? My king? And you agreed to that?
Be calm, I'm here. You have the floor, my attorney.
Thank you, Your Majesty. As I earlier said, that according to the agreement, he will be expected or obliged to adhere strictly to the terms and conditions of the agreement. Any violation of that will amount to legal action and its consequences, which are unavoidable, will be too grievous. My prince, all the conditions that have been stated is here.
My son, this agreement here is the hard work of her attorney, the royal attorney, and myself. And I am pleased with it. It is not for debate. Accept the terms, sign it, unless you want to spend the rest of your life in the prison.
Hey, listen, you're not putting anything there, okay? You're not staying in this room, let alone my apartment.
You seem to be forgetting something, Prince. It is he who plays the piper that dictates the tune. And in this case, I am the piper.
No, this is still my space. So you cannot just work in here and start acting like you own it.
Until this probation period is over, you are stuck with me. That was the agreement, wasn't it? Not like before. You do not call the shots anymore. And I suggest you get used to it.
Your Majesty, I have delivered the message from the oracle as instructed.
I'm used to it. There's nothing new.
Majesty, the words of the oracle.
The bid he prepared is working. My wife is stable now, and she has not had any attack. My son is content as well. Let's shift focus and deliberate on something more important. The Ofala festival.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I will want you to summon the Council of Elders for a meeting.
I will do so, Your Majesty.
Alright, wash this clothes thoroughly.
What? You must be joking, right? Call the maid to take them to the laundry.
What maid? I want you to pick these clothes. Go to the bathroom, get a bucket and wash them with your hands.
Adora, are you being serious? I am a prince and not a servant.
And I have your freedom in my hands. Have you forgotten?
Wow. You must be enjoying it, right? Ain't you?
Enjoyment. You really think this is about enjoyment, right? I just want to teach you that some actions have consequences.
Adora, I will call the maid.
Dare me. Dare me! Oh! I think I should just reach out to my legal team and have this agreement reviewed. Because I see that you, my prince, prefer jail term. washing cloth is beneath you, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that. I'm so sorry. Maybe I should get them. Oh, my baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe I should get the maids, right? Wash them thoroughly. Your Highness.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my princess. How are you?
Father, I'm here to talk to you concerning Ugo.
What about him?
Father, I don't understand this arrangement with Adora. It feels humiliating. How could you agree to such a deal? Okay, what future does this hold for Ugo if he's being controlled like this?
You may not understand, my daughter. Adora's actions might look harsh, but it's the best for Ugo.
Father, why does she have so much power over him? It feels wrong.
My daughter, Adora has suffered heartbreak and humiliation. You need to listen to her own side of the story.
I understand, Father. But this is too much for Ugo. It's not nice.
This too shall pass.
My king, I can't believe you agreed to this arrangement. Ugo being confined to his room at her mercy. It feels like punishment.
It is not ideal, but it is fair, my queen.
Fair? My king, how fair is it? He's the future king of this kingdom. And he's being ordered around by that ant.
That girl deserves justice. If Ugo had behaved himself, he wouldn't have found himself in that mess. Yes.
But my king, this whole arrangement feels like punishment to him, to us. Please.
Perhaps that is what he needs. A test of humility. A lesson in respect, good conduct. You and I knows that has been a problem to this kingdom.
My king, he's my son.
Of course I know, my son.
And where are you going?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. You seem to forget that you can't leave the walls of these premises without my permission.
Adora, how long do you plan to keep frustrating me?
As long as it takes you to learn. Now, drop the keys. Drop the keys! You wouldn't want to break this agreement, Would you? Good.
If your plan is for you to make me to start loving you and probably get married to you because it's obvious you are desperate for marriage, it is not going to work. I mean, imagine this kind of setup. Just because you want me to be with you. Ain't you ashamed of yourself? Ain't you ashamed of yourself?
Good. Now get you ready to drive me to my business complex.
What's going on here?
Look at what I saw on Ozioma's hand. Ozioma, bring it out.
That's some explanation to do. Let's go.
Hey! What is it? I don't even know. I just walked in and I saw her. I don't even know what to do.
How dare you bring abomination into my palace?
Your Highness, please show me, see. It is not what it looks like.
Oh, it's not
Please.
what it looks like, right? So explain this.
Ozioma, you happen to be one of my favorite maids in this palace. I take care of your personal needs. So is this how you choose to pay us back? Practicing witchcraft in my home?
I swear, my queen. I swear. It is not what it looks like. I was only...
Quiet! Now listen! This palace is sacred and blessed by the gods of our ancestors. Anyone that defiles it with evil practices is unforgivable. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take her to the palace cell and lock her up.
Your Highness, please show me.
Keep quiet! Get out! You may all leave.
So my king, what do we do now?
We will consult the oracle. The gods will decide her fate. When you bosom. What's the matter? My love.
The king is struck again.
What? God! God!
Your Majesty.
Fetch me the royal physician immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's good to know that you're now well behaved.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, you should continue this way. Ugo! 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 What? Stop! Ugo! Wait, are you pretending or something? Ugo! No, then you can't drive. No, you have to come out. Wait, I'm coming. Please, I'm coming. Palace. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll have to go back to the palace. I'm sorry. Please, hold on for me, please.
Your Majesty, her blood pressure is perfectly normal. Not alarming for now. I've taken her blood samples. The results will be out either today or tomorrow.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I'll wait for your findings.
I suspect this will be due to stress. So I will advise enough rest and hydration will do. Your Majesty.
My love. Ugobem, how do you feel now?
Very, very weak. As if something very heavy is pressing me down.
This thing is really getting out of hand. But why did you forget to wear the bead that Oracle asked you to be putting on?
I took it off when I was about to shower this morning.
How do you defy the instructions given to you by the Oracle, knowing fully the dangers ahead? You collapsed today. How many times would you collapse before you do the normal thing?
Your Majesty, water is not supposed to touch it. Besides, I feel very uncomfortable wearing it.
No. This is not about comfort. It is about your health, my queen. Your health matters the most. You wear it now. Wear it now.
Your Majesty, your oracle is here to see you. Your Majesty.
Come in. Oh, Your Majesty.
What do you want?
I'm fine.
What happened to him?
Your Majesty, I don't know. Your Majesty, we really need to take him to the hospital.
No, it is not a hospital matter.
He needs urgent medical attention. His condition is worse.
This is beyond medicine.
Your Highness, is there something I don't know? It's something wrong with him.
Your Majesty, the bead I prepared for the Queen will no longer protect her, for the truth has been revealed. The Queen is the source of the misfortune that plagued the royal house. She carries a secret buried within her soul. Until she reveals it, there will be no peace in this royal house.
Do not worry, my daughter. Continue what you are doing. I will handle it. My queen, what troubles you? Talk to me. What troubles you? This is not you. What is eating you deep that you refuse to share with me? Talk to me, I'm your husband. Confide in me.
Nothing.
Can't you see that this thing has eaten you up? Look at our family, totally messed up. Our children, everything. Tell me whatever it is, I will stand by you. I am your husband, and I've made this pledge that I will be with you. Come rain, come sun. Talk to me.
Seriously, Bonino. Coco, you need to eat something. Okay, at least drink something so you have strength. Let me help you, please.
I don't want.
Please. Please just take something, a little. Your Highness.
How are you? How is he doing now?
Your Highness is burning up seriously and he has refused to eat or drink.
I've tried everything. She refused to speak. I even pleaded. She maintained her silence.
The silence will cost you dearly, Your Majesty. If the Queen refused to speak the truth and purge out what is hidden. If she refused, then your son, Prince Ugo, will not last any longer. The shadow over your household grows darker. Your Majesty, the truth is needed. Only the truth will bring the light. Persuade her or get ready. Get ready for the worst that is to come.
Who are you?
Ask your wife. Who is Ugobasa? She will open up, and that which is hidden shall come to light.
Ugobasa. 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 Who is Ugobasa?
Where?
Answer me. Who is Ugobasa?
You've been moody since I came to the palace. I know what you're thinking. Okay, why won't I think?
Do you know how it feels? Being a queen for years. Nothing to show for it. It's training.
I understand, my sister. But being like this won't change anything.
Okay, I've tried everything. The doctors, herbs, everything. Nothing. The prayers. Okay, nothing worked. Nothing.
It's okay. It's okay. There's this woman I know. A very powerful woman. Yes. She has helped someone I know. Someone who was once in your shoes.
Take me there!
Oh, don't calm down.
Don't take me there.
It's very far. I can't take you there now. Okay? We can go there tomorrow. Calm down. We can go there tomorrow.
The God has answered me at last. Take me there.
It's okay. I'll do that for you.
Ole merunwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa nwa kwa igbere ọba se jekwego. Ogbomezo ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa nwa kwa igbere ọba se jekwego. Ekele m unu nta. Anyị sara ha họta na ihe ọma họta na ihe aka ka enwe ogologo dị narị sika họta na ezi chekwa zuru oke. Anyị gbene karịa anyị gbute gị anyị gbene kekpa anyị gbute gị anyị gbene ihu anyị gbute gị anyị gbene azụ anyị gbute gị. Anyị soro echukwa na anyị rụma asọ mma. Ole mere nwa. A sịrị m na ọ bụ m bụ gogbe saa. Anyị sịrị ya ndị bịara na nke m ihe ha chọtara ha hụma. Anyị sị na ihe ọma ya eme n'ihe. Anyị sị na egwu ọma ya agụ na ha na-echi. Anyị sịrị na ụbọchị ego ji aga okporo ụzọ na ha gakọ gị. Maka anyị na-anyị sị na ụzọ ha ya adịkwa ụzọ m n'ụzọ m ya ga-echi echi. Anyị sị na ya adịnụ ha oyi. Anyị sị ahụ hụta n'ihe ọma hụta n'ihe aka ka enwe ogologo dị narị sika hụta n'ihe ezi chekwa zuru oke. Give your hand. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma na nkwọ. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma na eke. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma na orie. Ọ ya adịla ihe n'afọ. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma na nkwọ. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma na eke. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma na orie. Ọ ya adịla ihe mma n'afọ. A sịrị m onye mere nwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa. Ole mere nwa nwa kwa igbere ọba se jekegi. Ogbomezo ole mere nwa. The Spirit has spoken. The 7 rivers I serve can do all things. You shall bear a child. Really? I will? But nothing is given for free. The waters demands an exchange.
What exchange are you talking about?
Onye mere nwa nwa kwa igbere ọba se jekegi. Ogbomezo ole mere nwa. Take this. Drink it when you're ovulating. Lay with your husband the same night. The Spirit will bless your womb. And then? Return the next day. I will do the remaining.
If this works, I am going to give you whatever you demand for.
Then the path is sealed.
I've missed my period. It's been confirmed. I am pregnant.
I told you to be so. The Spirit never lies.
Thank you so much, Ugebasa. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
The work is not yet complete. The Spirit has given, and they must receive.
What must I do?
When the child is born, bring the child's umbilical cord to this shrine. Only then I will tell you the final sacrifice to be made.
I am not comfortable about this job. I'm not fine.
What are you even saying? You're not comfortable. You don't feel like going. The same place that gave you a child. You're now saying you're not comfortable to go there. This is the right thing to do. You're supposed to go and dedicate the child. So please, stop saying that. I don't like it.
I'm having this ill feeling. What if something goes wrong?
What are you saying? Nothing will go wrong. This is the right thing to do. Please stop that. I don't like it.
I'm having this negative feeling.
Please stop. Stop it. Nothing will happen. You are not having strange feelings when you went there for a child.
You were not talking about strange feelings. You see, human being. You see?
But anyway,
Please, enough of that.
Well, thank you anyway.
You are happy now. You should be
honestly, because I don't know. I don't know what I would have done without you. Thank you.
Now you're talking.
If not for you, Sam. Hey!
Now you're talking.
Wow, I'm so grateful.
Anyway, I'm so happy for you, my dear.
I'm a mother.
Of course.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Let's go. Don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine.
I believe you.
It's okay. So tell me, how is Igwe and everybody?
The joy is top notch.
Oh, I know, right? I'm so happy for you.
You can't beat the feeling. And
Give me the child. O spirits of the 7 rivers, I present this child to you. It is done. Hear me, woman. When this child turns 1, you must return here with him and a cow. This must continue every year for 7 years. If you fail in this, the spirit will claim what is theirs.
You mean our son, Prince Hugo, was given to a deity?
I was desperate. I had no child. I had no hope. I did what I felt was my only option.
Did you complete the sacrifice?
No. No, I did not.
Why?
I conceived. I got pregnant for our second child. The joy, the celebration, the blessing of a new baby. I thought it was all over.
You thought? You made a covenant with a strange spirit. Now you have broken it. Do you understand the consequences of what you brought upon this family? Look at now, my son is paying for his sin he knows nothing about. Huh?
My king, please help me.
Now open up to me. Is there any other thing you're hiding from me?
Oh my king, God, please so much.
Your Majesty, you mean to tell me that your queen, in her desperation, sought the help of Ugobasa?
She was barren and had no choice. But she felt the required sacrifice. Now she and my son are paying the price.
Why? Why will she sought the help of Ugobasa, who does not know how cruel and unforgiving she is?
She never told me. I did not know. Not until now.
Your Majesty, listen. A message must be sent to Ugobasa's shrine immediately. She must be consulted, for only she can say what must be done. Or prepare to lose your queen or your son.
Making a promise is one thing, fulfilling the promise is another. Making a decree is one thing, but doing as said is another. Making an agreement is one thing, sticking to the agreement is another. Desperation is not the solution. Desperation can only make things to be worse. Oh wait, you cannot eat your cake and have say, it. Oh wait, the gods are wise. Oh wait, you cannot eat your cake and have it. Oh wait, the gods are wise. Oh wait. Making a promise is one thing, fulfilling the promise.
My queen. My queen. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
My king, I'm dying.
No, you don't speak like that. You're not dying. You can't die. I've sent for solution. Solution's on the way.
The gods. Will they ever forgive me?
I will not allow them to take you. You are the mother of my children. Whatever it will take me, I must serve you.
I'm dying. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Save me. Save me.
I'm here to perform the cleansing ritual as instructed by the oracle. Ugo, you are my first son. I saw your beginning, and I will never see your end. You shall live and not die, and you will never see early grave. Ọ ga-abara gị n'ụtụtụ, ise, bara gị n'efifie, ise, bara gị n'abalị, ise. Oke ibiri nwaanyị efulu gị cheta nwa ya, ihe mere nwa ya mee ya, ise. Eje anụ udele kwatụrụ ya eso, ka m kwuru kore, ise. Ị ga-adị n'oye. Ị ga-adị n'afọ. Ị ga-adị na nkwọ. Ị ga-adị n'eke. Mmụọ bụ nna gị. Ekwube m okwu n'isi gị. Ọ ga-adịrị gị. Ị ga-ebi. Let's proceed to complete the assignment.
Your Majesty, you must carry out this cleansing ritual as I have instructed. Why I sacrificed the 7 cows we made available to Ugubasa's deity.
Father, why are they still helpless?
I performed the cleansing as I was instructed by the oracle.
Father, is my mother going to be alright?
I've done everything. It is no longer in my hand.
You're awake.
You're back?
You're back.
She said she's hungry.
You're hungry? Mother, food!
She wants food! I'm hungry! Let me get it! She wants food! I'm
hungry! Get food! Father!
Hey! My mirror is back.
Mother! You're back. Oh no. I can't thank you enough. You've proven to be a trustworthy ally to the throne. Thank you.
My prince, the gods deserve our praise. Finally, they have given answers to our secret cries and tears. We must thank them for playing their role.
Oh no, you are right. But I will also give credit to the king, my father, for he has indeed shown leadership through this trial.
Absolutely. His gift of a cow to the oracle is a sign of a leader who values honor respect and loyalty as well. And I am also glad that the prince and the queen are all recovering. So, gradually, the gods are taking us away from our pains to our answered prayers.
Oh no.
And I also pray that your wish, all your desires come to fulfillment. And it shall be well with you.
You say?
And so shall it be.
You say? You say? Oh no. Thank you once again.
I'll be on my way now.
You're leaving?
Ugo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for framing you up. I did it to get my own pound of flesh. To make you feel powerless. And your choice is taken away from you.
I understand now.
No, you don't understand. I've been betrayed by men whom I gave my all. Do you know what it feels like when a man professes his love to you, even to the extent of paying your bride price, just to have you on bed? Ugo, not once, not twice. I even stayed away from sex before marriage. You know, you were supposed to be a distraction. I was supposed to have fun and then pick my broken pieces. But you showed up. You showed up and made things look different. I thought you were the man for me. Until you shattered my heart.
Adora.
And then I promised myself that you won't go unpunished.
Adora. Maybe that's how fate fashioned it to be. And I've come to realize that you're that part of me that has been missing.
Have we drawn the case? I hope you truly change for good. You don't have to lie to sleep with a woman. A woman that wants to sleep with you will sleep with you, not minding who you are. I won't even ask you anything.
I'm sorry. I am sorry for everything. I'm sorry for the way I treated you. I'm sorry for the way I treated women. I was naive. I was foolish. I was selfish. But I'm here to say sorry. Because recent happenings has humbled me. I've seen my mistakes, and I regret it every single day of my life. I feel broken. I feel broken every time I think about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't go. Stay a little longer, please.
I wish you well in your life endeavors.
Which boy? That black boy. I beg you. Forget talk. Hey, wait. Did I tell you?
What is that?
Do you know Uzoma?
Uzoma. I don't know Uzoma. What happened?
Now calm down. I have it like this.
Just me.
This my
talking
brain.
drum.
Correct.
Just me.
Correct. Well, let me gist you. You know Uzoma, the queen's favorite maid. According to them, they said, I don't know. My sister, I don't know. They say she's a queen's favorite maid. She was sent out today.
How?
Yes,
What happened? What happened? What did she do?
Calm down. They said though, it's not me. They say that they caught her practicing witchcraft in the palace.
Are you sure she's not the reason for all these things that have been happening in the palace?
My sister, I don't know. According to them, they said, it's not me saying it. They said that she's a witch.
Wonder shall never end.
My sister.
But how did you get all this information? How did you get it?
My king, I'm deeply troubled about my son Ugo.
What is it, my queen?
He has stopped eating. The maid said he doesn't touch his food. He has only resorted to liquor.
Liquor?
Yes, and it's all because of Adora. He said she has refused to take his calls or return his messages. He confided in me that he's in love with her.
Love? Prince Ugo.
And he said he's either Adora or no one else. I've tried to talk sense into him, but he said never. He's been so adamant.
I see.
Please, my king, I want you to talk to him.
Son, why are you doing this to yourself? You are acting as if Adora is the only woman on earth?
Yes, she is. She is the only woman that compliments me. Please.
What about Amanda, the senator's daughter?
Amanda. She is annoying. She is naughty. You see, Amanda? She's always making me angry. she doesn't matter. But you see, Adora, she's the only person that makes me happy. She's the only person that compliments me. I love her.
Get up as a man. Go see her in person.
You see? I've tried. She doesn't pick my calls. She's not taking my text messages. I don't even know where she is. I've sent driver to go all over the town to look for her, but they don't know where she is. It's me that will not know where she is staying. I've tried my best now. I've tried my best.
In that case, I will arrange a meeting with her.
You sounded so urgent on the phone.
Yes, Laura. I really want to speak with you. Okay. I've been facing pressure from the Crown Prince and his family. They want me to stay a little bit longer. And I can't give him what he wants.
What exactly?
Relationship. See, Laura, everything about men, love, relationship, I'm willing to put everything behind me. I can't deal with any of that right now.
Then why is Prince Ugo pushing so hard? I thought he never cared about love.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point, because this is sudden confession of love. It doesn't feel real. The calls, the text. Even his father wants to see me. No, I'm not ready for that.
Are you willing to take the risks?
I can't believe my meeting with the king will be to pressure me into giving Ugo a second chance. I'm not ready for any relationship now. Seriously. What's this doing here?
If you're reading this note, you must have seen the engagement ring inside the envelope. You are the only one, Adora, that makes sense in my life. Everything else does not really matter. When my father told me you were coming, I decided to take the bull by the horns. I decided it was now or never. I went down in search of an engagement ring. I hope it's your size. But if not, what matters is that it's a symbol of my respect and love for you. My willingness to make you my wife, to care for you, to spend the rest of my life with you, no matter the circumstances. I am ready to walk down the aisle
when the time comes. When I met you the first time, I had an ulterior motive. However, now I feel differently. If you want me not to touch you until we are fully and legally married, then I will vow to it. I will also make a vow. Should you accept this proposal, let Almighty take away my health if I ever betray or mistreat you. Anytime you feel like giving me a reply, please come to the palace. If your answer is yes, put the ring as you come. But if no, don't wear it when you return it. I hope that day I will see the ring on your finger. If not, I will live the rest of my life in bitterness. Adora, forgive everything I have done to you. Close that old chapter. Let's open a new one, filled with peace and better things. See you around. Yours faithfully, Prince Ugochukwu.
Ugochukwu, my son. I want you to listen to me and listen attentively. What makes a man is not what that confronts him. Rather, it is what he, the man, confronts. The fact that Adora does not pick your call any longer or give you attention does not mark the end of the road for you. An apple does not fall from the tree. It has a root. You're a crown prince of this kingdom. I want you to dust back yourself and pick up yourself. Always, my son, realize who you are. You are a crown prince. When your wife comes, you will know. And then you will see her. It will be natural. Did I make myself clear?
You have spoken well, my king. A candid advice from your mother. My son, you are the reason I am here today, proud as a queen. And I love you from my heart, and I will always want the best for you. Nkedi they say, Kamma. Your wife will come to you. The one that will cherish you, worship you, adore you, and love you like her own. Take your time. Don't kill yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Give it time. That one will come. And when it comes, you will have peace.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my queen. Greetings.
I bless you today as a father.
You say,
and it shall be well with you.
You say,
I bless your marriage.
You say,
you shall bear male children.
You say,
you shall bear female children.
You say,
may the gods of our land bless the womb of your wife.
You say,
this marriage will bring peace, love, understanding, and then prosperity.
You say,
my daughter,
my king,
you are going to be the next queen of this kingdom after my reign. I bless you today. May the gods of our land protect you.
You say,
both of you shall live and see good old age.
You say,
I will not see your grave.
You say,
you may not rise.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Gods of our land, continue to bless you.
You say, go my brother.